take this 57 for a spin. Does have AC. Blows very cold. This is a very nice frame-off restoration. Make sure you check out the pictures we have of the underside of this car. Very, very clean. Straight car, great paint, great interior. Runs and drives very, very well. It's got just under 5,000 miles since the build was completed. It's been garage kept and taken care of. Alright, run it down the road here. Very solid car. It's not squeaking and rattling. Drives out absolutely beautifully. If you want to see more information and photos on this car, go to survivor-cars.com. Thanks for watching.